Have you logged on in your private account and tried to sell this morning and all you've been presented with is simple delivery? That custom box has gone. Well, is there a sneaky way that you can get it back? Well, as of this morning, yes, there is. It's April the 15th. It's around 12:15 and you can still get to that box. So in this video, I'm going to run through how, in theory, you can still get to that custom delivery box, even though it's April the 15th, and you can still select your own postage. How long this is going to stay around for, I don't know. So stay tuned and hopefully you'll be able to learn a little thing on eBay. Thank you. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and you can enjoy more of me. eBay simple delivery. You've just popped on. It's April the 15th and that box has vanished. There used to be another box next to that simple delivery, and now eBay is telling you April the 15th is here and all you can do is use simple delivery. Well, I've done another video on simple delivery and some of those options aren't just working for me. So let's have a look to see if we can bypass it and find out if that option hidden down the list can still get us to use our own postage system. Now, obviously, selecting this option of over 20 kilos is for those people who are selling items over 20 kilos. However, what I have noticed is that if you select this option, it goes back and uses your postage method. So at the moment, you could, in theory, select your small parcel and handle that postage yourself. How long this is going to stay around for, or if eBay are going to be clamping down on it, I don't know. But they would still have to keep that option, as you can see here again, for that 20 kilo plus. Is this going to be a loophole that can be exploited, or will it soon be closed? As of April the 15th in the morning, you can still select this and still get your postage option.